There are times whereby you want to apply effect on your text on CapCut, but you have to go to the process of exporting the text first. Now, what if I tell you that there's a trick you can use on laptop version that can easily convert that text to either an image or a video, and you can easily apply those effects on the text? Now, head straight to your CapCut. Let's do some magic together. Here is my CapCut, and I have this video here. So let's just go straight down and apply a text to it. Okay, so here's my text. I'm just going to write text. All right, so let's make it kind of a simple effect. Let's make it bold, blah, blah, blah. Right, so now I have this text here. Okay. Now, if I click on this text, I can see that there are limitations to the effects I want to do. For example, let's say I want to apply mask. That's the main reason why most of us try to convert our text, right? Mask. Now, I can't see anywhere, I can't find anywhere of mask here. And if I click on my video, I can see mask if I want to mark my video. So, next thing I'm going to do is just click on my text. I'm going to right click on this text, and I will see create component clip sub project. That's all I need to do. Now I have the text as, let's say, as a video, right? But it's a component right now. We're not done yet. Now, if I want to edit the text, let's say I want to add to the text, I can simply double click on it, takes me to the text itself. I can then adjust it to probably, okay, convert. Let's reduce it. Okay. So here I can go back here right now, and here I have convert. Now, since I have convert here, what next can I do? I simply want to apply all the effects I want to use, right? Mask and all, right? So now if I click on it, I will go to video. I can see mask, and I can do what? Add marks. So what type of marks do I need? Anyone. So yeah. So yeah, I can play with my text without exporting it. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, comment, and tell me what next you want me to create for you. Stay blessed.